Okay, so online shopping as we know it, it's about to get a massive overhaul. There's this new technology called the Universal Commerce Protocol, and honestly, it's set to completely rewire how we all buy things on the internet. Let's break down exactly what's going on.
So this all kicked off recently at the National Retail Federation conference. Google gets up on the main stage and just unleashes this wave of announcements. And according to industry vets like Scott Wingo, it was a total game changer. He called it a shock and awe moment. And for a guy who's seen it all for 30 years, that's saying something.
And let's be really clear here. This is not just another software update. Nope. This is basically the starting gun for a huge race. A race between giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI to control the very plumbing of how you shop online.
Now, right at the heart of this whole revolution is the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP for short. So the big question we're going to tackle in this explainer is, what exactly is this thing? And, more importantly, what's it going to mean for all of us?
But okay, before we can really dig into the solution, we've got to understand the problem it's trying to solve. Let's take a look at this massive technical jam that's been holding back AI-powered shopping for years.
In the tech world, they call it the N-by-N integration problem. And yeah, it's pretty much as tangled as it sounds. This has been the single biggest roadblock preventing a truly smooth, AI-driven shopping experience from becoming a reality.
I want you to imagine a room full of awesome new gadgets, right? But every single one has its own unique, weirdly shaped plug. And every wall outlet is also completely different. It'd be chaos. Well, that's pretty much what online shopping has been for AI. Every shopping agent needs a custom, one-of-a-kind connection to every single online store. It's a total technical nightmare that's slow, super expensive, and just kills innovation.
So, to fix all that chaos, Google and this huge group of partners have come up with a really elegant solution. Basically, a new common language for all of commerce.
And they're calling it the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP. The key thing here is that it's an open-source standard. Think of it like a universal translator that lets any AI shopping agent talk to any business and any payment system totally seamlessly.
To put it another way, if the old system was that messy drawer full of a million mismatched cables and plugs, UCP is that one universal travel adapter you buy. It's the one standard plug that lets any device connect to any outlet anywhere in the e-commerce world. Simple.
And the reason this whole thing is taking off so fast is pretty simple. It's a win for everybody. Businesses get to sell their stuff everywhere but still stay in control. AI platforms can connect to millions of stores with just one simple integration. And for you, the consumer, it means a totally frictionless, easy shopping journey.
So how does this actually work in practice? Let's peek under the hood and see how UCP takes a really complicated process and makes it feel incredibly simple for you, the user. Okay, so in the background, your AI agent is having this really quick, three-step chat with the store's computer. First, it creates a checkout session. Then it updates it with any missing details, like your shipping address. And finally, it completes the order. It's all very neat and tidy.
But here's the magic. While all that technical stuff is happening in the background, this is literally all you see. Step 1, you find something you want and you hit buy.
Step 2, you get a quick screen to review your order. Your address and payment details, they're already there, pulled securely from your digital wallet. And step 3, order complete. That is it. All that complicated technical stuff is handled for you, turning the whole checkout process into a simple, 3-click experience. Amazing. But this isn't just about a new tech standard. No, UCP is a really strategic move in a much bigger battle, the race to control the future of your wallet and all of online retail.
So the battlefield is kind of splitting into two massive teams. On one side, you've got Google leading the charge with its open standard, the Universal Commerce Protocol. And on the other side, you've got the more closed ecosystem of OpenAI and Microsoft with their own protocol, ACP, which is what powers checkout inside things like ChatGPT and Copilot. This is the new tech rivalry we all need to be watching. And get this, Google did not come to this fight alone. The list of partners backing UCP is, well, it's staggering. We're talking the biggest names in retail: Walmart, Target, the biggest payment networks, Visa, MasterCard, and e-commerce giants like Shopify and Etsy. This is a massive show of force from across the entire industry.
So the most important question is, what does all this mean for your actual day-to-day shopping? How is this AI-powered world actually going to feel different for you?
Well, one of the first things you're going to see are direct offers. This is a whole new kind of ad. As your AI assistant is helping you shop, A brand can send a personalized, real-time discount directly to you at the exact moment you're thinking about buying. It's a huge shift from just blasting ads out to everyone to delivering a perfect offer to just one person, you.
But for all this AI magic to work, the system needs fuel. And that fuel is data. As one analyst perfectly put it, the old product data feeds were like a ratchet dirt road. To power this new AI generation, what we really need is a 30-lane superhighway of information.
And that superhighway is being built as we speak. Product listings are being beefed up to include way more information. Not just basic stuff, but rich context, like what accessories it works with, what products it could substitute for, and even preloaded answers to common questions.
I mean, we are talking about dozens of new data points being added for every single product online. This is a fundamental upgrade to the very DNA of e-commerce, and it's all designed to give your AI shopping assistant everything it needs to find the absolute perfect product just for you.
Which, of course, brings us to a final pretty provocative thought. As this technology gets smarter and smarter, when your personal AI knows your style inside and out, understands exactly what you need, and can instantly find you the perfect item at the best price, who is really making the final choice? Is it you, or is it the algorithm?